Welcome to this coding tutorial. Today, we are going to solve the assign cookies problem. This is a classic example of a greedy algorithm that teaches us how to make locally optimal choices to achieve a global solution. Let's understand the problem setup. Imagine you are a parent with a bag of cookies and a group of children. Every child has a specific greed factor, which represents the minimum size of a cookie that will satisfy them. You also have a list of cookies, each with a specific size. Your goal is simple: maximize the number of content children. There are two important rules to follow. First, a child is only content if the size of the cookie given to them is greater than or equal to their greed factor. Second, each child can receive at most one cookie. You cannot combine multiple small cookies to satisfy a single child. So, how do we solve this efficiently? We use a greedy strategy. The core idea is not to waste large cookies on children who are easily satisfied. We should always try to match the smallest sufficient cookie to the child with the smallest greed factor. This leaves the larger cookies available for the greedier children. To implement this strategy, order matters. First, we must sort the children's greed factors in ascending order, from least greedy to most greedy. Similarly, we sort the cookies by size, from smallest to largest. This allows us to efficiently iterate through both lists. Let's trace this with an example. Here, we check the first child and the first cookie. Since the cookie's size is equal to the child's greed factor, the child is content. We assign the cookie and then move to the next child and the next cookie. Continuing the process, we look at the next child and the next available cookie. If the cookie is large enough, we make the assignment. If a cookie is too small for the current child, we would discard that cookie and check the next larger one, because that small cookie won't satisfy any subsequent, greedier children either. Here is the logic in code. We define a function taking two arrays. After sorting both, we initialize two pointers. We loop while both arrays have elements. If the current cookie satisfies the current child, we count that child as content and move both pointers. If not, we only move the cookie pointer to try a larger cookie. Let's talk about performance. The time complexity is dominated by the sorting step, which takes big O of n log, and the actual iteration through the arrays is linear. Big O of n, the space complexity is constant, big O of 1, assuming we ignore the space required for sorting. To summarize, the assign cookies problem is best solved using a greedy approach. Sorting the inputs is the critical first step. By always matching the smallest valid cookie to the least greedy child, we ensure the maximum number of children are happy with an efficient algorithm.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.